Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can share a blog post on multiple social media platforms within a single click. So let's go to dashboard. I have installed blog to social plugin. So let's go to plugins. Here you can see this is the plugin that also has paid variant, so you can also use free. Now scroll down. Here I have added social networks. Here you can see these are the social networks that I have connected for this website. And now let's go to social media posts. Now scroll down. Here you can find out all the blog posts that are published on this website. Scroll down. Here you can see these are the pages. So once you have done with the page 1, then you can go to page 2, and also you can search any blog post. Here you can see this is search box. You can add keyword and after that click here sort. So now for example I want to share this post on the multiple social media platforms. Click here share on the social media. Now scroll down, then click here share. So here you can see it is in progress, and after that now again we need to click here on the share button and then click post to Facebook. So here you can see post is published on the social media platforms as well as on Blogger.